G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset, wrapping things up in Perth. Family leaves tomorrow and I'll be here for a little bit wrapping everything else up. But today talking about how can I do it better, how can I do it bigger. So we have had a textbook perfect week on oil, currencies. The indexes are still poised. We had big moves in the Europe and London session. And often when we don't see that movement in the indexes or gold, we can see that movement in the US session. Not to say that that's a trade recommendation, but a couple of emails after today's trades regarding, a few traders have been banged up a bit this week. And I talked about looking at the video I posted this morning on mastering the day count. The same patterns show up on the 1 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, and the Monday to Friday cycle, the day count. The day count is 1, 2, 3. It could be a 1, 2 inside bar 3. But again, if you master the dump and pump and the pump and dump, it's the same thing. You can have a session trade. You can have a reversal trade that's a pump and dump on the week, day 1, day 2, day 3. And it might be a 4-day setup that's a day 1, day 2, day 3. So you can have the inside bar. I spoke about that. You can have a reversal day, but it can still be a 150 pip move. Oil moved 150 pips, I think, today. So, step back and remember what I said. It's not about just buying the low and selling the high, because the real question you have to ask yourself is, what can I trade really well, and what trades are scalable? Now, it's funny, I get emails from people and they, negative, and this is BS and everything else. It's like, no. You don't have setups. You don't have setups. If you have setups, you understand the count, and then you understand what you can actually trade. And if it doesn't happen in your session, you find the instrument where there is a setup, and if there isn't, you don't trade. It's as simple as that. You don't try to trade every move, because that's where you get yourself into trouble. Trying to trade moves in the market as opposed to having setups that build and develop, ones that are session trades, ones that are scalable setups for larger moves that you can add size into, and then ones that are trend trades. Simple as that. Trend trades, reversal trades, session trades. Keep it simple. We have had, literally, and here's the thing, I don't know what's going to happen. I can only have a thesis until they go to work. I showed the trade on gold. The pump is the giveaway. It's a downward trending market. They pumped it up into the trend. Trigger breakouts, pump it up, dump it. Don't counter trend. Look for the easy stuff. So keep it simple, traders. How can I get better? How can I get bigger? If you can't do it in terms of the trade, like getting a trade and getting the right direction isn't the same as having an executable trade setup that can be scaled up in size. Think about that and then go to work. May the markets go with you.